Alright guys, this is a week after the accident and we're bruised up, and we'd just like to say thank you
to everybody who sent well wishes,
who sent us emails, who sent us donations
through our PayPal.
Yeah, and we'll leave the link on the bottom. Who sent donations through Teesprings where they bought mugs.
Yeah.
I mean, that's money in our pocket as well. But we like to thank everyone, you know. And as soon as we get a P.O. box, a lot of people asking to send stuff. As soon as we get a P.O. box, guys. But thank you, definitely thank you for the donations on PayPal. And you can see BB still. I mean, we're hurting. We're probably, I mean, that's the inside. That's the back seat. I don't know if you see it bowed. We're done
We're done.
Yeah, the car's done. But we're just gonna take some time off, guys, and heal up. Thanks for the prayers.
Everything.
Yeah, we'll, you know, got the email address down below again, and we'll leave the PayPal address and the Teespring. So just thank God we're here. All right, to our next one.
See you.
See ya. All right, guys, what you're about to see
is not meant for children to watch.
Yes, so
please be advised.
Yeah, definitely check it out and check it out.
On the phone with her, and finally she'd say, you know, I gotta go to sleep, I've gotta go to work. Flea market.
Just hang in there, baby. This is it, guys.
In the camera.
I am, babe. We're gone, guys. The car is gone. Hang on, babe. You're gonna be all right, right? All right, just hang in there. I'm gonna get everything, babe. No, that ain't our record. We're getting AAA and we're getting wrecked home. Not unless they got AAA. All right, BB, just hang in there. Remember, not ambulance, just let them look at your hand. This guy came out of here. Fucking car. This is the car, guys. The car is gone. Coming out of here. And then this car came out. All right, we're over here. BB's going in an ambulance. We're done, guys. We're done. I mean, if anyone wants to help out with donations or whatever, BB's hand's all fucked up from the fuck. All my hard work. But we're alive. That's the main thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. All right, hang in there. Let me see your hand, BB, real quick. All right, baby. All right, babe. She just had carpal tunnel surgery. This fucking asshole comes out of there. I just want to make sure I get his license plates. That's all. Haines City Fire Department, thank you for coming out. I need your cell phone because I'm trying to record. I need to dial this number for me too. I try to get
this one?
Yes, I gotta try to get my car towed.
There you go.
Yes.
Which way did you see him run?
Let me see how she's doing. All right, BB's in there getting taken care of. She's not gonna go to the hospital. God bless him, because I wouldn't even push that motherfucker. Jesus. Yeah. Shit. That's it, guys. Waiting for the tow truck.
You know how the thing?
That's the dude that came out, hit his head on.
Well, you know how you get like the